Hey guys, welcome to another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you've already been here before, welcome back. I'm so happy that you've come back. It helps out so much when you do come back. It helps me be motivated to make more videos and such like that. So you guys know from my last video, I talked about how we were moving June 1st. Well, today, what's today's date? Today is June 6th. June 6th, guys. And we are fully moved in. We have a few small miscellaneous items that we have not officially put up yet, but we are working on it. Hence, here's a little preview for you. So, the first video you're gonna see in this is from May 31st, the day before we were actually moving in. We brought a few of our large furniture items to be fully moved in so that we wouldn't have to move so much on the first. And let me tell you, it killed me. We had to get almost everything done on the first because I was off work. I actually run a daycare now. It's a small daycare with just 2 children for now. And then we're going to keep it like that for a while. Hi. Oh, thank you. And there is garbage back here in the corner. Like, do not mind that because it's just a box, a bag of garbage, and a pizza box, and then now a fruit gummy wrapper. So we're going to start with our kitchen base, and yeah, just remember this is an apartment. I don't own it. It's not a condo. It's all downstairs. It's larger than my last apartment. If you guys want to see the last review of the apartment, I'll link it down below. And it was not a 100% fully empty house tour beforehand, because we had already moved a few things in after we had started videoing, or before we started videoing. I know, hold on a minute. So let's just go ahead and get to a quick overview. Hey guys, so here is my entrance breaker box. We're gonna go all the way around the room like before. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, actually this is pretty cool. It stops you from slamming the door and it shuts it automatically. That's pretty cool. But we got a heavy sturdy door with a peek hole, just like the same door we had at our old apartment. It's an apartment, it's not the best, so just bear with me. This is just tape, it'll peel off. Come around, this is our light switch. We have a really pretty chandelier, and then we have our light. We brought our own fridge in, and Colt kind of banged it up a little bit here, over there, and over here. We have a ton of cupboard space. We already started moving some things in, so the shelf was already here. We were gonna take it off, but I guess they wanted to stay up there, so we're just gonna use it anyway. We have a dishwasher. Guys, I cannot explain how happy I am, really. This came out of the shower. It's for like an elderly person to help themselves in the shower. We're gonna get rid of that because we don't need that. We just got out our products that we're gonna be using. Our knives, this is like a brand new stove almost. They just replaced it about a couple months ago, I wanna say they said. We got a few more things on the counter. Tons and tons of cupboard space, guys, tons. So I'm really thrilled about that. Okay, so we finally got tables and chairs. They're very sturdy. We got this table and 6 chairs all together for $25. They could have easily gotten $100 out of this table, but they only wanted $25. We gave 2 of the tables to Colt's brother. So this is our storage closet, and like I said, we're just now moving things in. Let me show you what it looks like in there. We have to get a new screw for the door, and it's a little bit messy. We have our cat litter up on top. It's a pretty decent sized closet. I have my shoes there, just my cowboy boots, my cheer sneakers, and my boots. I don't cheer anymore, but still nice to have. I'm thinking about putting our garbage can in here because our dog will get into things. All right, go ahead and close that. And we have a rod in there too, so we can hang up some coats if we needed to, which I'm thinking possibly. We're gonna come in here. This is my old twin bed. I've had this for forever. We're gonna turn that into a couch, and we have extra pillows we're gonna put up against it. But let's go just all the way around the room. This is our light switch. Oh, and must be we have to plug a lamp into this one also. Okay, so here's the room. That's also part of the twin bed. That's our stand. Come over here. We could possibly put bar stools up on here and use it, but it's kind of small. But I mean, I feel like it would be big enough. And then we got this. We use this at our other apartment, and I'm thinking we're gonna use it here somewhere. Make it look really pretty and rustic. We'll do a video on that also. Coming around. Sliding glass doors. Love that. Alrighty, so we had to stop that because my phone actually ran out of space. But anyway, this is my dresser. I know it's a little bit beat up. It's really old, as you can tell by the markings. My dad just fixed it up for me, made it look the best he could. This is Novelle's dresser, and we have a few bags. This is all we've moved in so far besides in the living room. Our sliding glass doors actually do lock. And this is I'll just give you a big area. And then we have vents. We have central air, and we also have the heating system. And I didn't know this. We thought it was a furnace. I'm sorry. And it's actually all electric. There you are. You can see. We'll put the fan back on. It's pretty cool. And there it is, just venting through, which is pretty cool. All right, so this is an overview of the kitchen. This kitchen is like 3 times the size of our little kitchen that we had. Has more cupboard space, has a nicer stove. If you guys want to go back and check out my old one. We have the same fridge, of course, because it was ours. And it has a better front door. It doesn't just, open up whenever you're closing it. Because we had to actually physically lock our door with with the deadbolt here to keep our other door closed because the wind would blow it open. It was ridiculous. And when we were paying $500 here, we're paying $645, an extra $10 because we do have pets. But that's the chandelier. Let's walk down the hallway. Okay, so this is our hallway. Closet to your right. I'm going to show you this real quick. I just ended up vacuuming it out because I have some towels and some blankets and stuff. This is going to be, I'm not exactly sure, maybe our linen closet we're going to call this. Yes, of course, it's an apartment. They didn't paint the inside, but we're going to just fix that up ourselves. 3 shelves. And we're also going to put some products in here that we may not be using. Here's another light also. We're going to get to those 2 rooms since we show you the bathroom. Now, the bathroom has yellow lighting, and I absolutely hate that. I do, but we're not going to have to do. You are going to see a few things that don't look the best. Oh, we do have a vent here also. I didn't realize there was a vent in here as well. Okay, so we have a rag that was already here. We're going to keep it in here. They didn't want to get rid of it, so we're just going to leave it. If you want to go around the bathroom, just normal. There was water damage that is being fixed. That is being replaced in a week. If you go around, it's just a bathroom. We have a hanging hook there. We could probably put something in here. I'm not sure. There was a few of them in the ceiling. I'm not sure what the lady used them for. And then there's also another for her because the apartment we're in is actually accessible for elderly. And we're the youngest people who have lived in this one, but it was the only one open, so they gave it to us, which was fine. We needed another apartment. And there's also a vent here. This is going to be the vent. Here, we'll turn that on. That's just the air vent. So if you got to go to the bathroom, And then here is a coat rack, which I like. I thought it was really rustic, and this is the kind of stuff we're into. And they had already put that in for us, so we could put robes and stuff like that on there. And it's funny because they tried to paint the apartment. Hi. They tried to paint the apartment pink, so they had to go through and repaint everything they just finished today. They did like 8 coats on, like per wall. We also have a hanging for our hand towels, which is awesome because I've never had one of those in any of my apartments. So let's go ahead and get out of here. I'm gonna leave the door open. Now, the last 2 rooms, it's Novelle's room and then our room. Now, I'm going to show you our room, and you're probably going to be a little bit stunned. This is our box spring. If any of you guys have been following me for a while, you know that our room was so small, like you could barely see anything in there from where the dressers are standing. That's the tote that I had in my last one. Still has the same amount of things in there. That's our headboard. Yeah, look at this overview of this room. Look how big this room is. And then look at our closet. You guys have seen our last closet. I already hung up some Colt's things. And we have a step. It's for our shoes, but it's like a walk-in closet. Like I can literally come in here. There's a cage outside of this wall. And that's where the central air comes from. I'm assuming that it's being sucked out there. But these doors just slide open and close both sides. And they're like very flowy on the bottom. So we don't have to ever worry about it getting caught or anything. And this is just what the back of the door looks like. Again, we have to wipe some things down. A few things weren't covered, but we also have paint too. So if we need anything, they said they would definitely help us out there. So, and then I thought this was kind of cool, the coloring, if I can get that to focus. And then my little car out there. Okay, now last step, let's go to Novelle's room. Sorry, this is very short, but we're getting through it. Okay, now this room is about the size that our last room was. Her last room wasn't as big as ours. So this is about a foot or 2, maybe 3 feet bigger than the one that she had at the old apartment. The doorway is bigger, and you can just peer out. We're gonna have baby gates also. She has a vent in her room as well. She has cable accessibility, just like ours. She also has the same exact granite closings. And just go around the room. I think that it's paint, but they're gonna, I guess, change the carpets anyway, so whatever. We have her light fixture, and then this is her closet. I know it's a little bit of a bummer that it's smaller, but you know what? She can fit her things in our room as well, and that ceiling up there is pretty big, so I'm sure we can handle stuff. That's just some of her winter things that we already put in here. This is just behind the door. So, yeah. Let's do an overview of everything. Oh, and our mattress is a queen as well, in case you guys did not know that. We're just going around. This is a very, very big kitchen and even a living room. I'm thinking that we're gonna put our entertainment system over there, or stand, I'm sorry. Mine and Novelle's dresser are gonna probably go in her room, possibly. And then we have a little bit of an opening area right here. I'm thinking about putting a baby gate up there, but maybe we won't. Maybe we'll just leave it alone. I just like the fact that the kids can run everywhere. And then we're gonna have to get a curtain rod for this. So, as you guys come in the front door, we have our kitty litter here. We're just gonna go around the room. I ended up hanging this up. I took the flag down. This is gonna be our tapestry. It's a decorative blanket anyway. We don't use it for anything else. There's a few things, of course, that we have to fix. This has to go in the trash. The leash goes in the closet, but we're still making that maneuver. We ended up hanging this little number here instead of in the other area. All of our shoes. This is our kitchen table and chairs. We ended up taking the leaves out of it. So, our drink station. And we're going to be doing a drink cubby also. Don't mind any messes you might see. There's a few dishes in there. I have to load the dishwasher again. We have all those little chairs. We still have to hang these up. So and then these are going to be Novelle's cowboy boots for the wedding. Let's go around the room. This is our thermostat here. Just our boho chair. It's my pregnancy chair, I call it. All of our photos we hung up there. This is fully not done. This shelf is, and this shelf will stay the same. But the things up here will leave because we're trying to get another TV, but we're going to mount it onto the wall, like right about there. And get a swivel stand for it. We have blackout curtains. The toy needs to be put away. Novelle and her dirty little face. Her bookshelf right there. Our couch, of course, with a blanket on top. This is my twin mattress I had when I was a kid. And you can see Portia's laying there on the blanket. We ended up using it for a secondary couch, and we put a bunch of pillows and stuffed animals on there to make it feel cozy. Toys, we have a few things under the bed, or under the secondary couch. I have to get used to saying that. A few picture frames. We felt like this highlighted the interior. I know it looks like cheetah print and tiger or leopard print, like, fell all over this room. Like, it threw up everywhere. This is not staying here. This is just there for now. But behind here, there are sliding glass doors. It's the whole thing. And we ended up taking our wallpaper and placing it here on this extra window. It looks really nice. Just ravishing. And let's head to the bedrooms. Alright, so this is the hallway. We have an old towel sitting in Remy's crate because she likes to chew the other ones. We're just going to go ahead and go through. This is just our linen closet. We have a light up here. It's a little bit messy right now. And these totes are both full of blankets. I was very happy that they both fit in there. Watch your head. Okay. Our bathroom is a little messy. We have to do laundry, so we just put our powder room here. We have our thing. Also, I'm going to be doing a favorites video here soon as well. We just have These are clean towels instead of putting in the linen closet, and these ones are used towels, and I just put little notes on them. We have this. It was already here. We packed that up. This little bag is just for me to use self-tanner when I decide to. It's a lot easier than using a glove, but I have a pretty good tan going on right now, so I don't think I'm going to need it this year. So, amen. But, well, those are my favorites on that as well. Have our little cloth, pictures going around. Of course, the toilet, the hamper. Neville just brought her toy in here. We have the rug. Let's head out of this room and go straight to the next. Alright, so since Nevelle's door is already open, we're just going to head to her room. Blaze is sitting right there. We're just going to do a quick overview. Let's turn the light on so we have more. This is her closet. We're waiting for her mirror to be put back up because it actually broke. The frame did when we were moving. This is from her first birthday. Sorry about the lighting. There's little fishies down here. That's just the blue so that we could do an imitation that they are actually swimming. And Novelle's interrupting us. And then my dresser, of course, is back in here. We're going to be repainting that soon. Pictures, some knickknacks. And we brought a toy in for her. These clothes are Colt's, but right now his dresser's being fixed, so I have to fold all these and put them in my drawer, which doesn't make any sense to fold them because he's just going to ruin them anyway. But, you know, her diaper pail. There's nothing on the back of her door, and there's just her raincoat. Okay, let's head into my room. I have a little baby gate there. My room is messy. My shades are closed, and we're still unpacking my room, and our bed was not made because we crawled out of bed a little bit early and didn't want to do anything this morning. So this is our closet. We have 2 doors, and these are flowy doors. By flowy, I mean like they don't have like a latch on the bottom to keep them in place. I put all of my porcelain dolls there. The TV is not staying there. The stand is going to go over here once it's time. The TV is possibly going to be hung up in here somewhere. I have a little wind chime there for when we do have our window open. These curtains that were in my bedroom. Okay, and then those are clean clothes. These are all clean clothes. They just need to be folded and put away. We have a lamp there. I think his dresser's going to go right here because that's where the cord is coming out of the wall. And then the lamp, of course, will probably stay exactly there, but we're going to move it over, I think. And then his mirror will go on top of his dresser when it comes. These are just extra stuffed animals for Novelle because she likes to bring them in our room at nighttime anyway. So we figured we would put a little shelf there. Her tote like I had in the other bedroom. And this is just what I have here, what I've thought of. One of my best friend's wedding invitation that she had. She and he had their wedding just recently. The prenatal vitamins because we are still trying to conceive a baby. And then we just hung up Colt's. And to me it's an alien, but it's a hunting blanket. His mother made it for him. It's very large. So, and then we just have this hanging up on the wall as well. And this is one of our last minute gifts to Daddy for Christmas. And on the back it has like a small message. But anyway, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see next. And I really appreciate you being here. Everyone that subscribes actually gives me more of a limitable spiritual satisfaction to make videos. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks guys. Bye.